Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Well, guess what? Spring is here and we are so excited. We are going to talk about, it's kind of big, cherry blossoms because they're so fun. So you need a branch and then some, I'm using pink tissue paper that I cut into squares. They're 1.5 inch squares. And some glue. I'm using Tacky Glue. And I'm going to use a pencil because when we did this, I did not use a pencil and it was a little bit tricky. So,
did you have glue all over your fingers?
Well, I did, which I don't mind because it's kind of fun peeling glue off, but it was a little challenging when you want to keep putting things out. So I'm going to move this. Thank you, Liz, for this great idea. Okay, so here's my twig, my branch. I don't know what kind of tree it is. It's not a cherry tree, but it doesn't really matter, right? So I'm going to take some tissue paper. I'm keeping it in the bowl so I don't get glue on everything. But I think, I didn't actually practice this, I think if I put it around the end of a pencil and then dip it in the glue, it's going to make my life easier. I could be wrong, just so you know, this is an experiment. But it was my idea when we were at the house in the backyard doing these. So when you stick it on, what's that?
Did the tissue paper blow away?
Oh, it was kind of all over the place. It was a little windy.
Inside project?
It probably would have been a better inside project, but we were doing it outside in the lovely sun. So when you put it on, especially if you're using like school glue, you're gonna need to hold it down for a while. That's what most of those were, was school glue, the original one. So just kind of hold it for a sec, pull out your pencil. Oh yeah, this works really well. You could also use a little white tissue paper if you wanted to give it some more interest. But I just used pink because that's what I had. I used pink only.
And if you didn't have a pencil, Kate, could you do it with your fingers?
Oh yeah, watch this.
Would you twist it up first?
Well, yeah, I think I had to remember how I did it. I think I went like this, and then I stuck the end in. Or I put the glue, I don't really remember. I think I tried a bunch of different ones. See, it got glue in kind of a crazy spot right there. So I don't know that that was my best bet. But I'll just scrunch it up, and it'll still look cherry blossom-ish. If you're like me, and when you get a gift, you save the tissue paper that came with your gift, you can use it for all sorts of things. Yes, my sister Maggie likes to recycle, and one year, when she was living in Boston, we mailed all the wrapping paper from Christmas to her. Because it was fun.
And she was very happy with that.
Oh, she was super happy. She made it feel not so homesick. Also, while we're here, I forgot in our last video that I need to say hi to some friends. So, hi Molly, Gabby, and Lily, because you asked me to say hi to you when we're making one of these. Okay, I'm going back to my pencil idea. I'm just going to keep working on this so it's fairly full like the other one. And then I think I'm going to go find some more branches. We could just decorate this whole space with cherry blossoms because they're so pretty. So I'm going to stop here for the moment.
Oh, that's so
but here
nice.
it goes. So imagine that when you're done, after you put all those on, you can have this. You could also use a smaller branch.
Trees, Miss Kate.
Hello, hello, like that. They're so fun. It doesn't have to be this large though also, because this did take a long time.
And did your family love it having on their...
Oh, they were so happy to have on the front table forever. Yeah. They're just waiting for me to bring it here. So I'm going to put it up on one of the shelves. All right, thanks everyone. Good to see you. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, friends.